Okay, this video is here how to replace the dual inlet valve on your refrigerator, Whirlpool refrigerator. If your ice maker has stopped making ice, what you want to do is press in on this part, press in on there, press down on it to remove it. Already got the top loose. You're going to want to make sure the refrigerator is unplugged when you do that. When you remove this top panel, you're going to press up on this tab right here. The filter can stay right where it's at. You're going to remove this top bracket to get the wire harnessed out. Pull that out from the wall. Slide the bracket off. Take that part off. Take this clip off. Remove the ground. To remove these, you press down on here or use a 3/8 size wrench. But you just press in on this, press it down, and it come right out. Press in on that one, it pulls right out. Press in on that one, it comes right out. Your new part will go in just like the other one came out. Just remember which wire or hose came from which place. Everything goes back the same way it came off. When you're putting the new one in, it goes in just like the old one. These parts you just snap in once you push them in. You just snap in. Like so. Don't forget to put your electrical clips back on. And don't forget to ground it. Put the grounding wire back on. Also, you can put this back on if you choose to. Not necessary, but don't forget to put that back around your wires. Put the wires back in where they came from, I mean the hoses back in where they came from. There you go. That's it. And that's all to it. Let me stop.